Well, pumpkin pie, move over. It's time to share the spotlight with other pumpkin desserts perfect for Thanksgiving. Chef Leonice Ludwig from Porto Do Sul is here to show us how to make pumpkin flan and pumpkin crème brulee.
Yeah,
and
we need to use while we can, right?
Oh, absolutely.
Yes,
seasonal. Yes. It is perfect. Now, this all starts with your homemade pumpkin puree.
Yeah, we have a fresh pumpkin with some butter and brown sugar. We're gonna roast it, and it's gonna be like that, and then you're gonna blend it, and that's how you get it.
Okay, your pumpkin puree looks delicious, but you know, we also want to touch on what kind of pumpkin do we do? It can't be the jack-o'-lantern.
No, please.
Yeah.
Any flavor that you like it, but the pumpkin pie I think is the perfect one.
Okay.
For here. Yes.
Okay. Awesome. Now let's also talk about your grandmother's pumpkin flan recipe.
Yeah, we're gonna make really. A lot of people think that the flan is really hard to make. You don't even need a blender. You're gonna whisk your eggs.
Beautiful.
You're gonna put your sugar, and you're gonna see the recipe on.
And you know, yeah, I was gonna say, how much sugar and how many eggs did we start with?
It's 3 eggs.
Okay.
We have a cup of sugar.
Great.
Then we have 2 cans of the condensed milk.
And this is great because it really adds some texture to it
Yes,
as well.
it does. Then we're gonna whisk all together with the milk.
Yeah.
It's a fast. My grandma used to say, don't overmix.
Okay.
Because create too much air on it.
Okay.
And then, yeah, it doesn't get creamy then.
So what should we look for once we are done whisking?
So when we're done whisking, we're gonna add the pumpkin puree to it.
Yum.
Okay. So, and then we're not gonna have time to whisk all the way.
Right.
You just keep mixing the ingredients together. Then we're gonna add to this dish.
And there was
That's already a
something.
caramel. Sorry, yeah,
already some caramel in the bottom, and that looks
That's
so
the
good.
secret of the flan. It gives the taste. So we're gonna put in this is a water. So we call bain marie.
And this is just a normal pan.
Normal pan that you have at
and
home.
about an inch of water.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we're gonna cover with some aluminum foil. And just make a little hole so it can breathe. 350 degrees on the oven for an hour and 10 minutes. And you're gonna have this.
And this would wow anyone over the holidays, especially around Thanksgiving. You know, flan, it's such an intimidating name that I don't think I would have ever, had you not explained it, wanted to make it at home.
Right? Yeah. So then we're gonna turn.
Pour it out. Oh, and how beautiful is that?
So, and do you wanna try?
Oh my gosh, I do, but you know what? Can we talk about your pumpkin creme brulee first of all? Because I never know how to get that crunchy, beautiful
So
top.
it's a creme brulee recipe that you have at home. Your favorites you're gonna have for the recipe that you use 2 cups. You use half more with the creme brulee pumpkin.
So you're saying that we start with the pumpkin puree.
Yeah.
And then we add some more custard base. Yeah.
Add the ingredients that you like.
And this
Some
smells
brown,
so good.
I know, right? And since we're working with pumpkin, save some of your pumpkin and then add some on top, just for.
That is beautiful. Now, how do you get it, and how do you know that you've toasted it just right? What are you looking for?
We don't burn, because then you taste the burn of the sugar, but try to make like caramelize the whole way.
Yeah.
Yes.
That is amazing. Now, one thing we wanted to touch on too, all of these elements, they are gluten-free. We've got some of these little cheese biscuits, also gluten-free.
Yes.
So we're gonna throw some Bill's way, since he's got some gluten-free intolerant or people who have some gluten issues in his family.
Yes, our restaurant is a Brazilian steakhouse. We serve like all kinds of meats. We're gonna be our 4th anniversary in December.
Can I ask you real quick then, how do we say in Portuguese pumpkin?
Abóbora.
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 Okay.
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much, Leonice.
Thank you.
These are gorgeous. We're gonna dig in this commercial break.